Alright guys, today we're making chicken
Fajita Quesadillas.
fajita quesadillas. So I already got the buns on the thing, the tortillas. I'm gonna add some
Chicken and peppers and onions.
what you want on there? No?
That usually makes sense enough.
I'll probably end up getting all the frickin' peppers and stuff in mine. Just gonna go ahead and
I feel like I didn't cut up enough peppers to the ratio of the chicken.
it's okay because I can already feel it in my eyeballs.
Or are you feeling the onions?
Let's get them all filled up here.
Yeah, you lost a pepper. It wasn't down long, so it's gonna go on that one.
I'm going to add just enough meat to each of them. Or use all the meat, whatever.
Really? That one over there has barely anything compared to the other ones now. Can you spread it out better? Or is your
I'll use my good arm again.
your arm not letting you?
Well, spread out you want them.
Okay, well, I don't want tomatoes in mine.
Alright, so we got some tomatoes yet that I gotta go on all of them.
I said I want tomatoes on mine.
You can have a couple, it's fine.
Remember, I only wanted one. I don't know why you made an extra.
You're eating two and you're gonna love it.
I'm not eating two. I'm having one. Okay, well, since you're assembling,
them two little ones are yours.
still need cheese.
Yeah, I'm getting there.
By the time you get the top part on, the bottoms are going to already need to be flipped.
Should I open it from the other end?
You should open it properly. I don't know who taught you how to open things. Oh, there goes the seal thing.
It didn't even open right.
Oh my god. It's because you didn't...
There. Now I didn't try to do it either.
Doesn't know how to open anything.
Just a little bit of cheese on top, guys.
Seriously, we like our cheese.
Not a lot of cheese.
Oh, it smells so delicious. Can't wait.
Because I cooked it all.
Really? You're putting them together. I cooked all the chicken and the peppers and stuff.
There.
Delicioso.
Looking at it.
Alright, so then you're just going to put the topper on it, let it cook for a bit, probably flip it. So it probably already needs to be flipped. And then when the cheese is all melted, it should be good to go. Because the chicken and the peppers and everything were already warm. So if your life isn't interesting, make it interesting. Winners never quit and quitters never win.